Okay, guys, so we are just getting in. I'm getting ready to make these burgers real quick. It's going to be a quick one. Sorry about that. I guess we were starting a fire without a fire. Anywho, we are getting ready to have some hamburgers tonight, some quick ones. I'm not even doing potatoes. I am tired. We just walked in, and so Sister Girl is ready to... Okay, so got the kids out of the way. I am getting ready to turn this camera around. However, I'm getting ready to do... No, I don't need to turn the camera around. Anywho, let's just watch me work because I'm tired. This thing keeps going off for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. Anyway, let's get to it. Put in a little liquid smoke. Some garlic powder. Some onion powder. And Bryce. Well, who did it? Or what happened? Okay, so I'm going to mix it together. I'm also using provolone. For me, I got the seeded buns. For the kids, I'm doing little mini sweet burgers. Well, mini burgers on sweet bread. And my go in there and get that stuff off that floor. Go in there and get that stuff off that floor. We did. Go get some more, because that room's filled with stuff. We didn't eat this, Mama. We didn't eat this. Barry, come here. Hush. And something you may have stopped, but you did something. Get over by those other toes. Also, I'm going to spread mayonnaise on 8 of them because my daughter doesn't like mayonnaise, so I'm going to spread 8 of them with mayonnaise and then put them in the oven. Cover it and put it in the oven. Let the meat, sleepy, let the cheese melt. So give me a second, I'll be back. Okay, so I have that set. I'm going to close these up like that. I'll be back. So that's what was beeping all that time. Oh my goodness, I didn't even think to open the oven. We had breakfast for dinner last night. Oh my gosh. Woo. Didn't realize that was left over. Okay, so here we go. And this is a big pan, but this is my only pan I have to work with like this until I can get the right things that I need. So look at that good cheese pool, y'all. Look at there, look at there, look at there. Okay, so I am going to fix her plate because that stuff is hot. And then you'll see the final. So this is it. See you in a sec. All right, so here we go. Here are the burgers. Woo-hoo. These are the plates. They're going to put their own condiments on there. And then it is time for night-night. Okay, so here is my food. I'm getting ready to chow down, y'all. Enjoy your night.